All right, so it's time to create a Holobuilder account. First, you're going to check your Soul for an email. And you should have an email from Holobuilder inviting you to create an account and to access the project that has been shared with you. First, you need to create your account. So click on the first link. This will bring you to Holobuilder's website, and you will sign up for an account. Okay. Before you get started, click on the Secure button and go to Site Settings. And you're going to need to allow for pop-ups. Okay. So once you do that, reload the page. Go. So you have your email address in. Oh, you might have to. Okay. So you have your email address in. And then create your password. Click Continue. Type in the information that's asked of you. For the phone number, you can use the school phone number. So let's go ahead and look that up quickly. Okay, and then we can just copy it from here. 02-330-3100. You do not need to use your own account, just use your own phone number, just use the school phone number. For job title, you can put student. And then it doesn't matter if you say yes or no to having a 360 camera. Click Continue. Under company name, you can write SFS, and for the website, soulforeign.org. How did you hear about Holobuilder? Just write the word teacher. And then what best describes your business is education, not construction related. Finally, click Sign Up. You have successfully registered your account. And then click OK. Now it does say that you need to confirm your email address, so we'll go back and do that since we have our email up anyways. Verify your email address. And you're in. Okay. Now we're going to go back to, if you go to Shared with Me, you can see the room that's been shared with you. You can also get there from the email. Access project, okay? But we'll just go back. Under My Projects, there's the Shared with Me option, and we'll click in that room. Okay, so now you have access to your teacher's class, and in the next video you'll see how to kind of navigate through this room, see the expectations for this project, and how to put up icons in your own room. Now that you're in Holobuilder and you've joined the project, let's see what your teacher is asking you to do. On the first page you can see a little some words that say this is an example room. Listen to my audio clips and read the information icons. You will practice on your own page below. If you look over here, there's a preview button with a yellow arrow. So go ahead and click on that. And you can see your teacher's classroom and your Chinese classroom in 360 view. Okay, if you hover over any of these icons, you'll see that under the information icons, you can see words. And then the play icons actually play a sound.
白板在哪儿？白板在书柜的右边。
Okay, so the idea is you're going to have your own copy of this classroom, and you're going to use these icons, the show info icons, and some of the play sound icons to show that you can use your Chinese vocabulary to describe what is in your classroom and where it is in relation to other things. So I'm going to do that with my example page, Ms. Zappia. Go ahead and click on that. And if you look here, I've kind of written an icon. Oops. You have to go into preview to actually see what it looks like. And I unfortunately don't know Chinese, so I wrote this in English. The trash can is next to the door. And if you slide over here, I made an audio recording about the speaker. The speaker is located on top of the bookshelf. Okay, so here's how you actually do that. Now that I'm back in editing mode, I can look over here and I can pull in a show info icon. Let's see. I'm going to make one that talks about the exit sign up there. So I'll pull in the show info icon. And I'll be asked to type something that will show up when I scroll over that icon. The exit sign is above the door. And I might even throw in some more vocabulary, like the green exit sign is above the door. If you know that word in Chinese, go for it. Then I'll click Apply Changes, and I'll have my icon here. Now, this icon is taking up a lot of space right here. Let's say I want to make it smaller. I'll just go ahead and click on it. And right here, I have the option to scale the object. So I can click the minus button and make it a little bit smaller. And then I can drag it around to move it. Under Position Object, I can drag it around and maybe even put it right under that sign. Okay, I can click on Preview to see what it looks like. And then when I scroll over it, you can see my rating. Okay, so now that I've included a show info icon, I want to do the same thing with sound. So to do that, I will pull in a sound icon. I'm just going to stick it over here on this table. And then I'm going to be asked to upload an audio file in MP3 format. Works well. So to do that, I need to open up another program. So I'm going to use GarageBand for this. I can use my Spotlight tool to find it and open it. Okay, so with GarageBand, I want to record my voice. So that's already the option that's highlighted here, and I'll click Choose. And now I'll record my voice. The table is next to the window. And I'll export that with the Share option. So I could choose Share, and then I go to Export Song to Disk. All right, I'm going to give it a name, save it to my desktop, and I'm going to choose MP3 file, and I think I'm just going to keep it low quality because it still sounds fine, but then it takes a lot less time to upload. So I'll click Export, and I will minimize this page. Okay. Now when I go back to my project, I can choose Select File, and I can find that project that I just uploaded here. Okay. So once that green line is gone, you know that it's ready to be uploaded, so you can click Apply Changes. I can also change the size of my icon. I think the sound clip looks a little bit big. So I'm going to choose this option right here, Scale Object, and click on the minus to make it a little bit smaller. And now to see what that looks like, I can click Preview, and I can listen. The table is next to the window. Okay, so that's how you include an audio clip. The last thing that I'll show you for today is how to include a custom image. So let's say I wanted you to include a selfie of yourself, that's redundant, on the page to show that it was your page, you were in charge of it. You would click on, okay, so right now we're here under Add Objects. You can click on Custom Text and Objects. There's an image right here. Add a custom image, and then you'll select File. I have a picture on my desktop that I'm going to use, so I'll just drag that in. And then there it is, and just like your other images, you can scale it or you can move it around. Okay, so I'll stick it right there. So go to Preview. There it is, hovering in the background.